Web development job market is really bad right now, and I'm going to continue to do some projects and more leak code and apply to more jobs. But my main focus for now is going to be on my CS2 marketplace, gofest.gg. It's a side project I've had for the past like 2 years, and I would work on it, and I need to do better with marketing. So this is why I'm making this YouTube channel. But I'll post dev vlogs and stuff like that. But in this video, I'll break down like why I made it, the tech stack I used, and the ups and downs from development. And now I don't know if you remember in OP skins, but back in the OP skins day, I would trade CS2 skins for profit, and I was profitable. It was mostly for fun, but I would like find good deals in OP skins, buy them, and then sell them. And like I was sometimes able to, I'll spend hours on OP skins. I was able to make a profit like even with the fees they had. And I remember telling myself, "Ooh, I would love to just pay like a low monthly fee and then just like be able to trade on a platform like unlimited amounts, you know." And then they added the 7-day ban and made trading harder. And I was just like, it would be great to just like have skins on a site and trade using that. This was before peer-to-peer sites were around. So I was like, oh, why don't I make a site like that? But then like I didn't have the skills or the money or anything to develop it. So the tech stack is Mern, Mongo for the database, Express, React for the front end, and Node.js. And full disclosure, the MVP was we hired offshore workers a long time ago to make the very bare bones MVP, and it was very lacking. They did a very poor job, and I basically had to rewrite everything. I had to, especially back end wise, every important feature on the site, I rewrote. Just right click, delete, redo it. Like, for example, querying for like the skins on the database, the back end, I had to rewrite that. Stripe deposits, I had to rewrite that. How commission is handled, I had to rewrite that. Withdrawal, how the trading of the skins are handled, bargaining, all I had to basically rewrite the whole back end, like brick by brick. I just little bit by little bit just replace their code and redo it on my own. And I decided to host it on Azure in the beginning, and I over-engineered it. And frankly, I wasted a lot of time, spent a lot of money on Azure, automating like pipelines in the back end and the front end, and so expensive. I don't even know why it was so expensive. Wasted a lot of money on Azure, but later on realized I can just host it on Heroku and like Vercel for like a fraction of the money and the ease, and worry about, I don't know, all that stuff kind of later. So yeah, I have it hosted on Vercel and backend and stuff on Heroku. It's been good so far, pretty easy. All right, here's the project, gofest.gg. I'm gonna show you around, show you the different features and the technology behind it and what I had to do to implement it and stuff like that. I guess we'll start off with the top right corner. Almost any marketplace, you would need to sign in. Top right corner, that's the sign in button with Steam. You click that and you click sign in. If you're ever on any website that has signed in with Steam and asks you to put in your username and password, do not do that. Go to steamcommunity.com, log in through Steam official website, then click just the sign in button, because you can get phished or scammed that way. Not my site, not every site. Every site just hit the sign in button. If it asks you for username password, go to Steam and log in. Don't get scammed. All right, and then the top right corner, your username, your wallet amount, that's the cart. All right, we'll go to the subscribe page, and so my goal with this marketplace was to create a platform, a website to bring back the old ways of CS2 trading, CSGO trading, of like, you're just trading with other players and you're trading for profit and you're not really having to worry about commissions and fees and stuff like that. So the way I want to monetize the site is just through subscriptions, like $15 a month, $12.99, $9.99. I'll probably put a coupon code in the description if you want a lower pricing. And the deposit fees, Stripe charges deposit fees. I'm not charging any fee on top of Stripe. Same thing with withdrawal. This is the only way I really want to monetize the site, just through subscriptions and allow 0% commission. You can trade as much as you want, because yeah, I miss the old days of CSGO trading. So you can select what you want to do, and you just go click subscribe. I already have an active subscription, but it'll take you to Stripe page, and you subscribe through Stripe. And if you want to cancel, it's pretty easy. You just go into the profile, and you can cancel from there. Let's go back to the home page and show you the other features. So newest item. Most of these skins listed are by me. These are my personal skins and some of my brother's skins that we listed on the site. And I'm trying to talk with like big traders and convince them to list their skins on the site, but you know, the CS scene is kind of sketchy and people aren't very trusting. Over here, best deals. This tab right here is not the most accurate at the moment because it's based off of Steam, and it's kind of annoying having to constantly update it. But later on, I'd like to base it off of something else, maybe a different website, or if the site sells enough, it can base it off its own previous sales. Unique items. Yeah. Some skins are showing up that shouldn't be showing up. I have to fix that. But yeah, that's a unique skin. The Kiddo 2014 sticker. All right, and then you have your site listings. These are all the skins you have listed on the site. You can edit them, remove them. Like if I would have changed that to, let's say, 4,900 because that's overpriced. You know, these are my listings. And then Steam inventory. These are all the items you have in your Steam inventory. And then GoFest inventory is items that you have stored on our site bots but aren't being listed. Alright, so this is the marketplace. It definitely needs to be redone. I'll be redoing it soon. I'll make a devlog for it and post it. And this is the sell. You can sell your skins here. We'll go ahead and list the skin. So it defaults to peer-to-peer. And you can select whether you want allow bargaining or not. And if you uncheck peer-to-peer, it's going to go to bot. So let's do a bot. Let's do it for $20. Place item in queue. I'm positive. Yeah, we also have a browser extension that you need to download to trade with peer-to-peer. So that's just like a screen that's just verifying that, yeah, you have the peer-to-peer. It tracks whether you've sold it, whether you've traded the skin to the other user or not. Let's click confirm. All right, offer successfully, and then it's going to give you a match code. Make sure the trade you're receiving, that code matches exactly with what the bot is sending you on Steam. All right, I'll go accept this trade. I'll be right back. All right, I accepted the trade on Steam. I do need to edit this so that it will automatically update. Like, ooh, trade offer accepted. Thank you. Here's the link to your Steam. Not your Steam, but your listing, your skin listing. And all right. So when you see a listing, you can click that little eye icon, and it'll tell you info about the site. You can click buy now, and it'll buy the item automatically for you. You can add to cart, and it'll tell you who it's sold by, and you can click their shop, and you can see the user's shop, all the skins they have listed on the website. And you can, and if this is your own shop, you can copy that shop link, and you can post it in your if you have a Discord or Twitter and stuff like that, and share your listings to other users so they can buy it. And this is the trade icon. So when you buy a skin, like for example, I bought this glove just as a test. And it'll tell you purchase, and then it says the next step is seller needs to send trade, and it'll be orange and pending, and then that will be green, and the next thing will be orange until it gets traded. And I have this button right here that for any reason a trade, there's a problem with a trade, you can type in the info and reason why there's a problem with the trade, and you click report, and it'll automatically send me an email telling me, reporting the trade. It's like, hey, I don't know, if anything goes wrong, you can hit that button. If you need assistance, you can hit that button, and I'll try and get to you really quickly. And also the skins you've sold. The skins you sold, yeah, you can click the trade link. It'll open up a trade link. All right, to deposit on the site, just a simple deposit, $500. You click add funds, and it'll take you to Stripe. Stripe does add a Stripe fee. There's no real way around it, and right now it's only Stripe. I need to add crypto. That's top priority right now. And withdrawals, you go to your account, you click withdraw, and this is the withdrawal page. Yeah, pretty simple. And it withdraws to Stripe. It withdraws to your bank using Stripe. Also, another thing I want to point out is that when you have a listing, you can just click I and you can just copy the link, and then copy the link at the top, and then you can just paste. There's a link at the top. You can just paste it in whatever Discord server or wherever, advertise your listings. It's 0% commission, so it doesn't hurt. So this is the offers page, and it'll tell you any offers you've received on listings and any offers you've sent, and you have the ability to cancel any offers and stuff like that. But this is one of those pages where I need to improve the UI for, especially. It's not done well, so I need to improve that. Yeah. Also, another thing is that this Twitter icon, it doesn't work half the time. I don't know why. But yeah, this is our Twitter. So yeah, go ahead and give it a follow. We're gonna be doing giveaways. We've worked with VLoot in the past, and we're gonna continue working with them to host giveaways and stuff. So stay tuned. Alright, I hope the video wasn't too boring. This is like one of my first videos. I'm new to YouTube and all that stuff. But stay around if you'd like to see more devlogs and more videos of me improving the site. Like, for example, I'm going to add crypto payments, improve KYC. I need to redo the marketplace, improve bargaining. And yeah, there's always things to work on the site. There's always ways to make it better. I really want to make this like one of the top platforms. I'm the only developer at the moment. Yeah, so I'll definitely be posting devlogs for it. Show you guys some of the technology and stuff behind it. And I'll be posting as well CS2 content. So the next video I have is, I think it's going to be a good one. It's CS2 related. Yeah.